How do I activate Capitec app remotely?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to activate the Capitec app remotely. If you're a Capitec Bank customer and want to access your banking services on the go, activating the Capitec app on your mobile device is a convenient option. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step. So, let's get started.
Downloading the Capitec app.
The first step towards activating the Capitec app remotely is to download it onto your mobile device. Follow these instructions to get started. 1. Open the App Store on your device, Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. 2. In the search bar, type Capitec and tap on the Capitec app when it appears in the search results. 3. Tap on the Install or Get button to begin the download and installation process.
Registering for remote activation.
Once you have successfully downloaded the Capitec app, you need to register for remote activation. Here's what you need to do. 1. Open the Capitec app on your mobile device. 2. Tap on the Register or Sign Up button to create a new account. 3. Follow the on-screen prompts to provide your personal information, including your identification details, contact information, and Capitec account number. 4. Set up a secure username and password for your Capitec app. Remember to choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. 5. Complete the registration process by verifying your account through the email or SMS verification code sent to your registered contact details.
Activating the Capitec app remotely.
Now that you've registered for remote activation, it's time to activate the Capitec app on your mobile device. Follow these steps to complete the process. 1. Open the Capitec app on your mobile device. 2. Enter your username and password to log into your account. 3. You will be prompted to grant permissions for the app to access certain features on your device, such as your camera, location, and contacts. Make sure to allow the necessary permissions for a seamless banking experience. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up additional security measures, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, to enhance the security of your Capitec app. 5. Once you have completed the setup process, the Capitec app will be activated and ready for you to use remotely. Congratulations! You have successfully activated the Capitec app remotely. Now, you can enjoy the convenience of accessing your Capitec bank account and performing various banking transactions directly from your mobile device. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to the Capitec Bank support team. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Have a great day ahead!